This is BIM, the new soundbar by Sonos. Hey guys, it's Jacy here with another video for you. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new speaker by Sonos, which is called Beam. It's actually a soundbar for you to attach to your television. It was released yesterday. I ordered it yesterday and it came in today. So I'm very excited to open this with you. I got my knife here, so let's crack this open and see what's inside, shall we? Box. If you buy it on the shop, you'll get a handle here, so it makes it easier for you to carry. Okay, BIM, the smart compact soundbar for your TV. Sonos actually has already two soundbars. They have the soundbar and the play base that are much bigger and they cost almost double the price. They retail for about 800 bucks. This new soundbar, which is a little smaller, also designed for smaller rooms just like mine, this one costs 450, which is quite a difference from the original one. I was very excited about this one for two reasons. First, the price, and second, the fact that I don't have such a big room, so I thought, why should I buy something so expensive and so powerful if I'm not going to be able to use its full power? What I meant by not be able is that I don't want to run into trouble with the neighbors. So if I'm watching a movie and the sound is too loud, the neighbors might complain. So if I have something so powerful and I'm not able to use its full power, so what's the point? That's where this comes in, because this is smaller and it's not as powerful as the original one. I think this will do just right. So let's try to open this. How do I open this here? Oh yes, there's a seal here. Okay. Ooh, two seals. Ow. Oh, okay. There we go. Seal off. And it's not very handy. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, yes. This is so difficult. Why don't they make something easier? There we go. There you go. Oh, here we go. So here is a speaker. Let's take it out. Ow! Okay, look at the size of the speaker. It's very small. Let's put it here. What is this? Some information. Welcome, music lover. Some guides. What else? Okay, there. What else is in the box? Okay, another box here. Okay, so, here is an HDMI, the power cable, and this is, I think it's an optical cable to HDMI, something like that. What does it say? Yes, optional. Okay, this is an optional thing in case you don't have the right connection in your TV, so you might need to use this. Okay, I'll read the manual later. What's in here? I guess that's it. Okay, so that was all in the box, and now let's open the speaker. Here it is. Look at this speaker. Here are the connections found in the back. This is the top, and here is the front. So when you put it on the TV, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's pretty small, not so heavy, and it's supposed to enhance the sound of your TV. Sonos speakers are available in two colors, white and black. I decided to buy the black so it matches the other speakers that I already have. As you can see, in my living room, I have already two Play 1s mounted on the wall. I paired them to each other so I can create a stereo sound, and I also have another one in the bedroom. Now, after I connect BIM to my television, I can actually synchronize BIM with the two other speakers and create a surround sound system in my living room. I hope that will enhance the sound of my movies when I'm watching them on Netflix. So guys, this was a very quick unboxing of the BIM soundbar by Sonos. I am going to learn how to work with it, and then maybe I will make another video to show you how it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!